Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and today I have a lot of stuff that I want to show you that I made using the Wildflower birthday suite. And it's on page 43, 42, 43 of your mini catalog. And just look at all the cute little birthday things that you can make. And it comes with a stamp and it comes with the dies and also some great designer paper and some party dots and some gold open weave ribbon. So I just wanted to show you. These are some of the things I'm going to go over with you, but let me move them out of the way for now. And I will show you the stamp set. Okay, it's called Birthday Celebrations. And as you can see, there's a nice banner, little flowers, leaves, cake, make-a-wish, hooray, happy for, and you could say your birthday, for your day, whatever. There's tons of stamps. And then you also have some dies. The dies are very cool. There's a banner in the die. There's also a tassel. There's numbers, so you can make a specific birthday. There's this that can hold these little banner flags. And, you know, just some other little tiny flowers and things. Great set. You can buy them separate or save 10% and buy them together, or you can buy the whole suite. And let me show you the paper that comes with it. Now, I've already been using quite a bit of this, but I will show you what I have left. And you can actually see it online too, but I have 1 or 2 pages, I think it was, of all of these cutouts. You've got balloons, and there's a little gold foil. I don't know if you can see that on there. And flowers and birthday cakes with candles. Then just plain cakes. That could be an anniversary or a wedding. Cupcakes with a little candle for birthday. Balloons. Let's see, what else do I have left? And then just lots of little odds and flowers. And it also comes with some tags. Now, these are all like in a page that you would cut out separately. And then you could use these tags on a card, or you could use them just as a tag on a package. I actually made a box, and I'll show you what I did with mine. There's some of these that also, you know, you can stamp your sentiment, and you have a nice little border for it. There's some gold foil leaves. More flowers with little gold centers in them. I think I've showed you just about everything. So anyway, there's just a ton of it. Now, I've already used a lot of this, and look how much I still have left. So you'll have plenty to make probably more than one of each design that you like. Let me just scoop up my papers so I don't lose any of these. I just love when they have the designer paper. Now, you can use these for scrapbooking too. I just love when they have these though, because it just saves time with stamping and coloring and everything. You know, like if you wanted to do this as a card, it's already done. All the different colors, the foil, it's already cut out. Just awesome. And so here's some of the paper I can show you. Not very much, but I have some. And this is Wildflower, I believe, birthday. Wildflower birthday, yeah, that's what it's called. And so you have this page, which I've chopped up a lot, but it has a nice pink plaid on the back. You have these that have like a little birthday cakes on them and a nice stripe. I think I might have a bigger sheet of that right here. So look, you can cut these cakes out individually if you want with your paper snips and have a nice pink and green. And I think I said it in another video, these are one of my favorite color combinations, or the pink and green. This great scalloped one is awesome. And then it has leaves on the back. I showed you those. Then there's this one. It has a beautiful light green and white, and then has beautiful flowers with more of that gold foil. And there's a bigger piece of the scalloped. And then there is your leaf paper. Okay, so I still have these. And then here's how that paper comes before I cut it all up. So this is the second sheet of this that you have that gives you all of these sayings, and it gives you tags over here that you can cut out. And just bigger things that you can put on cards. I'll show you something like that I did with this one. I think I have it in here. Yes. Like this one, I stamped Happy Cake Day, and I just turned this that way, stamped my things in there, and put a couple of those cute dots on there. Just love it. And I actually took the blue from here. Let me tell you the colors that are in this paper. There is Blueberry Bushel, Old Olive, Peach Pie, Pool Party, Pretty in Pink, Soft Seafoam, and Gold. So that's the color of that light green is the soft seafoam. That was on the back of these. Anyway, I just love this. Now let me show you what I did with all of mine. Because I just got into cutting and chopping it up, and I really want to use it all, but I haven't even gotten through all of it yet. One thing that inspired me was I saw this online, and it was a girl who had made 2 cards. So I kind of just copied exactly what she had. And, oops, I think there's something sticky on there. Anyway, she took a piece of paper and cut it, I think it was 6 by 6, turned it, cut it on its point to point, and then cut it again, and then made 2 cards out of the pieces that she pieced together. And then she just took different pieces of the little punch outs that are in the pack and made her cards. So that's 2 ideas. Then I made this one, and I actually am using, I have to mention it because I really think it's great. It is called Pastel Ombre Glitter Paper. And look at those colors. Hope it's not too glary here. Let me show you what I used. There's a beautiful pink ombre. It actually starts this light and goes all the way down. And then you have greens. Here, I'll show you a whole green sheet that goes from the very light all the way down to the darker. And then you have a beautiful green sheet that again goes from light all the way down to the dark. And you get 2 of each sheet. So I've been really using the pink one a lot. And that's how I came up with this one. This is that great big piece that I just showed you before. Has a beautiful gold foil and everything on it. I cut one of the large circles in, let's see, I didn't keep it out, but let me look it up for you. It's the Spotlight on Nature dies. I used this large one and cut it out of that pink glimmer paper just to have some more sparkle. I used some of those little colored dots, and then I also had some sequins that I used. And this Happy Birthday, I wanted to show you, if you need a fast card, I bought this set. It's called Greetings for All Mix and Match Ephemera Pack. And look at all these sayings. I'm going to pull them out for you so you can see. You've got everything you can think of with a white background, black ink, Merry Christmas, get well, congratulations, thinking of you, happy birthdays, thanks, oh happy day, best wishes, happy Easter, we'll be using that one, just a note, and happy Christmas. Get 2 of those sheets. Then you have sorry for your loss, thanks, welcome, happy Valentine's Day, I'll be using that one, happy Mother's Day. They have all the different holidays coming up. That's why I wanted it. And I actually just used the happy birthday, but I used the black one. So they have a white with black ink, and then they have black with white ink. So this happy birthday is what I used here. So fast and easy, just popped it on, and I didn't have to do any stamping really. So you get 2 of these sheets too. You can see the one I already used. So I loved all the sayings. I don't have to buy every seasonal stamp that's out there, and I'm good to go in a sec. And I'll show you what I did on another card, which is this one. I used one of our note cards. Now this is one of the tags that came in the packet of paper. I punched out, like just with my fingers, a couple of these little flowers and a little cupcake. And then I did that happy birthday. Let's see, that was in here. I think I covered it up already. Yeah, let's see. I think it's in here. Let's see, where is it? Am I missing? Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. It was right on the front. Happy birthday. But what I did was I took the two colors. I took Pretty in Pink, and I believe this was Pool Party. And I just colored every other letter to make it more colorful. And look, I've got a great, cute little card. Love that idea. And this is a time saver. Love it. So don't forget to, let me show you where this is in the catalog in case you missed it. You'll see me use another set too. It was up in the front. Here. It's on page 13 and it was this one. So I used Greetings for All, Mix and Match. I also bought this one to celebrate love, mix and match. And it's got a lot of hearts, Happy Valentine's Day, a lot of cute sayings, a lot of beautiful scalloped hearts too. Let me show you one page of it. Okay, I kind of punched one out, but you can see these. This punches out, so does this, and then so does the last scallop. It's got some pretty trellises, little flowers. You've got all these flowers with the hearts. You got red and pink, and then all of these flowers. So these will make great anniversary cards, wedding, and also Valentine's Day. And then the sayings. Got this. It's kind of falling apart already. Happy Valentine's Day. You've got a lot of these in the different colors. Hugs, love you, be mine, lots of love, kisses, and then the XOXO. So again, you don't have to stamp. And you've got all that done for you. So don't miss that on page 13. I love these little ephemera packs. Okay, let me get to another one. Then this one, this was one of the sheets that you just cut out, like the sheet that had all the tags. And I added happy birthday, and I added a little cupcake and a few dots. I did use that pink check that was in the paper, the designer paper, and you got a great colorful card. Then I have this one. That's that pretty scallop paper. And I just took this, and I had seen this done online too, where they just took that sheet and then cut it out with their scallop die, and it just made it a little fancier. And then I stamped happy birthday. And actually this pink one was one of those sheets that you can stamp or use as a background for your sayings. And I actually cut mine in half because I didn't want it real big. So there's that. And then they had this cute little cupcake one. So I just cut it down a smidge, cut myself a 3x3 piece of the blueberry bushel, and put a little flower on there and a couple of the little sequins, and I have a cute little card to include in a gift. And speaking of gifts, I did this. So this is my 2468 box, and I had that, I think during Christmas. I showed you, yeah, all these different size boxes you could make out of a piece of paper. This one was the 8x8 square, and then you just cut or score 1 inch at the top, and then 2 inches, 2 inches, and 2 inches. Use 2 of those pieces of paper, and then you just build the box. Then what I did was I took the tag. Now this was all on the tag. I didn't have to do anything. I took my hole punch and just punched 2 holes in that tag through the bag, put some Pretty in Pink ribbon in there to hold it together, and then I stamped my saying in the pool party on top of this pink and gold background that they gave you as one of the punch outs, and I added a couple of the little dots. Isn't that cute? So that actually, for right now, is going to hold a lot of my cards. So those are all my ideas. Actually, I can put them out one more time if you'd like to see them. Let's move all this. And don't forget, all of this was made, and I still have all of this left. So you're going to have a ton of fun with this set. And I haven't even really used the dies yet or stamped much except for sayings. Let me just kind of put these around. But I want to show you when I was in a swap what a couple of the girls did. I think I have their cards here. Okay. So what they did was they took that pretty paper, they stamped and embossed Cake Day in gold. This they did out of gold foil. These little flaps or banners and this piece, remember, were in the dies. Let me get the dies back. was this, and then these little banners here that you can make. And they made a cute little card. And then I have another one where she used this banner die. Let me show you right here, the big one. And she stamped right on it, hooray for cake. And then she did these cute little tassels and flowers, which are right in here. There's 2 tassels, and then she used these flowers, and she put some of the little dots in the middle to make it cute. And she used some of that gold open weave ribbon, which I haven't gotten, and then she used different paper pieces. I mean, how cute is that? So I have a lot more to explore, but I thought I would show you what I did so far so you can get an idea, and you can earn free celebration right now with every $60, which you won't have a hard time spending with all of this. The paper, the stamp set, and the dies. I think you're probably going to be there. So keep that in mind. Let me tell you again, the name of this set. I get back to it. Did I miss it? Let's see, I missed one more. There we go. The name of this set is, or suite, is Wildflower Birthday. Here's tons of ideas for you. And then here are the supplies. So the suite is $73. So if you get everything that's in the suite, you're over your $60, and you can earn a free product in celebration. Remember, our celebration is only till the end of February. So we're already in the middle of January, believe it or not. And so you could earn any of these. I actually did pick up the paper. Let me show it to you. It's so bright and lively. I love it. Because I know I'm going to make a little watermelon pouch, but then I loved all the fruit salad and all the different things. Look how pretty these are. And you can cut these pieces out if you wanted. And you've got green on the back, bananas, and some yellow, apples, and the red, lemons and oranges. I mean, look at that citrus. That looks so cool. And then you got cantaloupes and the green. So you always have like a more of a solid without the print, just a little good background piece for the back of it. And then the front pieces have the fruit. So you have pineapple, and then you've got rind, and then you've got the watermelon seeds. You've got kiwi and some more green, and then a whole fruit salad here with some pretty blue on the back, pears, and some pomegranates. I mean, I can't wait to get into this. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and just send me an email at StampFUNatics@gmail.com. If you'd like to place an order, I would love to have your business. You can shop with me at StampFUNatics.com and then just shop this product. And I thank you for joining me today, and have a great day. Thanks.